So B part tan of x plus iy. So tan means sin by cos, sin x plus iy divided by cos of x plus iy. So what? Real part and imaginary part separate. Simplify. Separate term, real term, value term. So here impossible, okay? So what will we adjust here, okay? So some trigonometry formula we have to adjust. Cos of x plus iy. So multiply, divide, okay? Cos of x plus iy, conjugate of that. Cos of x minus iy and cos of x minus iy. Conjugate of always denominator in the complex number. And also I want 2 because trigonometry 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. Okay, so this like trigonometry we can use. Okay, so 2 sin a cos b. Okay, trigonometry formula. So 2 sin a cos b, sin addition, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b sin cos, sin की addition, cos की addition, cos of x plus iy, x minus iy plus cos of a minus b, sin cos, sin की addition, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b fix, but sin की addition and here cos की addition. So see how much sin now here, okay, iy 2x, sin 2x, here x is cancelled, iy plus iy 2iy, if you open the brackets, here cos of x plus x 2x, iy cancel, cos of x is cancelled, iy plus iy 2iy. So 2iy, so sin iz, I times sin h, z, here angle is 2y, sin h 2y, cos 2x, same, cos of h, cos of iz, cos of hz, same, cos h. Okay, so it's now separate. So real part, this upon this, real part, this upon this, imaginary part. So real part will be sin 2x upon denominator same, cos of 2x, cos of h 2y, and imaginary part I containing I multiple sin h upon sin h 2y upon same, cos of 2x, cos of h 2y, complete. Okay, so real part and imaginary part. So in that, okay, terms separate real part and imaginary part. Real part there is no I, there is real part. Imaginary part I containing, I का multiple of I, that will be called as imaginary part. Okay, so these two questions, A part and B parts. A part simple, 2 mark question. B part not lengthy, this may 6 mark question. So again other questions on this hyperbolic function, 6 marks problem. Every question of 6 marks. This also 6 mark question. if tan x plus iy is I, where x and y are real, then prove that x is indeterminate. Indeterminate, not determined. Determine. Indeterminate. It's not defined, not determined, and y is infinite. Infinity. Y is infinity. So if tan of x plus iy is I, x and y real number, then x, prove that x is indeterminate, not defined, means upon infinity or 0 by 0 form, not defined. So if tan of x plus iy is I, then of course tan of x minus iy will be minus I, complex conjugate x plus iy I. So tan of x minus iy will be minus I, complex conjugate. Okay, now so we have for x and y variable. So what is x? So we have 2x. What is 2x? X plus iy plus x minus iy. If you add, okay, this x plus iy and x minus iy will be iy cancel, x plus x 2x. So in terms of x plus iy and in terms of x minus iy, so their addition will be 2x. Okay, I want now tan 2x, taking tan, because I know tan, these results we know tan of x plus iy, we know tan of x plus iy, that's why taking tan. Now tan of a plus b, like, so tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan of AB. Tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. So we know about the tan this result. Tan of x plus iy, I. X minus iy, minus I. 1 minus tan of x plus iy, I. X minus iy, minus I. I minus I, 0. 1 minus plus I square, 1 minus I, also 0. Okay, so I square minus 1. I square is minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 by 0 form. Okay, so this value tan 2x and 2x will be 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is what? Not defined. Indeterminate. Okay, so tan 2x indeterminate means x indeterminate. X is indeterminate. So this is like for x. Result for x. So tan 2x not defined means 2x not defined. X will be not defined. So this way x will be not defined. Now for y. So for y now, see here 2x, their addition 2x. Now their subtraction, subtract their x's cancel, iy plus iy 2iy. Okay, so we have, okay, x plus iy minus x minus iy. So means what? X cancel, iy plus iy 2iy. Same technique, taking tan. So tan of 2iy, also tan of right side, so tan a minus b now, tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So tan of x plus iy, x minus iy minus I, tan of x plus iy, x minus iy minus I. Okay, so 1 plus I, twice I, 1 minus I square, twice I square minus 1, 2 to cancel I. So tan of 2iy equals to what? I. Now tan 2iy, tan means sin by cos, sin 2iy divided by cos 2iy. Sin 2iy, I times sin h 2y, cos 2iy same cos h 2y. I cancel sin h 2y iy 2y by definition e raised to power 2y minus e raised to power minus 2y upon 2 cos h 2y by definition e raised to 2y plus e raised to power minus 2y by 2 1 is 1 by 1. I want their addition. Okay, so we have property by componendo and dividendo. Property even high school level. Okay, so their addition e raised to power 2y plus e raised to power 2y plus and their minus. So their plus and their minus. So what is here? Okay, this cancel e raised to power 2y is to power 2y 2 times e raised to power 2y. Subtraction this cancel, then 2 times e raised to power minus 2y. 1 plus 1 2 and 1 by 0 0 this one 2 cancel. This comes to numerator e raised to power 4y. 2 by 0 infinity e raised to power 2 by infinity, therefore 4y also infinity, y infinity. So in this way y is infinity, y is infinite. Okay, so x is not defined, not determined, indeterminate, and y will be infinite. Next example, okay, hyperbolic function. if tan of a plus ib equals to x plus iy, then prove that tan 2a equals to 2x upon 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay. And then from this result we get x square plus y square plus twice x cot twice a will be 1. Same result. And second result about the tan h to b. So say 2a addition like this problem and their subtraction. So tan h to b equals to 2y upon 1 plus x square plus y square. And from this result we must get x square plus y square minus twice y cot h to b plus 1 equal to 0. So same like this problem, if tan of a plus ib equals to x plus iy, so then similarly tan of a minus ib will be what? X minus iy. Complex conjugate always true in case of I minus I. In case of I, okay, minus I everywhere conjugate. Okay. Now results I want. So I want tan 2a. So what is now 2a? Let me see 2a. So their addition a plus ib plus a minus ib. If you add like this problem, so iy cancel a plus a twice a. So twice a will be okay s plus s this plus a tan of formula now tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a into, so tan of a plus ib x plus iy, tan of a minus ib x minus iy, a plus ib x plus iy, x minus iy, iy cancel, x plus x 2x 1 minus x plus iy x minus iy, a square minus b square form, so x square minus I square y square minus x square, I square minus 1 minus plus I square minus I square minus 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, so tan 2a is like you get the first result. So tan 2a will be equals to 2x upon 1 minus x square minus y square. This first answer, tan 2a. Now from this is like I want cross multiply or add just. So cross multiply from this into this. So 1 minus x square minus y square into tan equals to 2x. I want cot. So 1 minus x square minus y square equals to 2x upon tan. So 1 upon tan, okay, cot. So 2x 1 upon tan cot 2a. Okay, I think shift one side. I want equal to 1 right side. So 1 equals to x square y square. Take right side. So x square plus y square plus twice x cot twice a equal to 1. So this must becomes answer. 1 equals to 1 left side or right side. So this first result, their addition, this answer. Okay. Now subtraction. Similarly, one addition, one subtraction. Now subtraction, see what is subtraction now. If it is subtraction then. So this minus this, now a cancel. IB plus IB, 2IB. So 2IB equal to this. Same technique, take tan 2IB. Their subtraction. Subtraction tan A minus tan B, sign changes, and here plus now here x plus iy. Now here subtraction minus here addition. Similar, just first addition, second subtraction. And this. Now, what you see here, x is cancelled, iy plus iy, 2iy. Okay, here x plus iy, x minus iy, x square minus x square minus b square form. X iy same, 1 plus x square, I square minus 1 minus I square plus 1. Okay, tan. Now tan means sin by cos. Sin iy, I times sin h, cos hy, cos h. I cancel. Also I want cot here. Okay. So sin by cos tan. So tan h 2b equals to 2y upon 1 plus x square plus y square. So cross multiply. I want 1 by tan cot. So 1 plus x square plus y square here. And tan here 1 by tan h 2b. So 1 by tan cot h 2b. Okay, now cross multiply. sorry, 1 by tan cot. Okay, take one side, left side was. So x square plus y square minus twice y cot h to be plus 1 equal to 0. Left side, 1 alter left side. So this will be your second result. Next, if sine of alpha plus I beta equals to x plus iy, then prove that x square upon cos h square beta plus y square upon sin h square beta equal to 1. Second result, x square upon sin square alpha minus y square upon cos square alpha equal to 1. So both the result, I think one trigonometry and one hyperbolic trigonometry. Okay, both. Again, using hyperbolic function. So given to you, if sine of alpha plus I beta equals to x minus iy, sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b sin same cos ib cos hb relation, sin ib I times sin hb trigonometry relation, or this relation is hyperbolic relation. Okay, now separate, now equating real and imaginary parts. Okay, so real part, sin alpha into cos h beta equals to x. First real part, imaginary cos alpha sin h beta equals to y. So we have the two relations. Now from this we have two values. First alpha. So sin alpha will be what? X upon cos h beta, and from this cos alpha will be what? Y upon sin h beta. Similarly, second result, second relation, cos h beta equals to x upon sin alpha, sin h beta equals to y upon cos alpha. Okay, so we have now two relations. Now use both the relation. Okay, so one I want a hyperbolic relation and one I want a trigonometry. Okay, so what you know, sin and alpha, sin and cos. In sin cos we know relation, sin cos sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. You know these values, sin cos. So trigonometry relation we know, sin square plus cos square is 1. This is the first relation, trigonometry. So put values here, sin square x square cos h square beta plus y square sin h square beta equals to 1. This first answer. And second, about the hyperbole relation. In hyperbole, what you know? Okay, cos h square beta minus sin h square beta is 1. In hyperbolic, minus, and this known values use cos square. So cos square x square upon sin square alpha minus square means y square upon cos square alpha is 1. So this second result. So hence proof. So this problem is very important problem for 6 marks. Okay, long questions. Okay, today we stop. Sit